Hey everyone, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on what to do if you open a Google Slide, a Jamboard, any kind of Google document activity, and it opens up in the wrong email, in the email, your personal email maybe. So all you have to do, it's super easy. So this is the email, this is my personal email, and I want it to go in my school email. So I'm going to click share. And I'm going to add the email where I want it to go. I want to be the owner. I want this email, my school email, to be the owner of this document. So I press send. Now I can work from this activity in my other email. However, I'm not the owner, so I can't save it. I can't make a lot of changes to it or put it in my Google folder so my teacher can see it. So what you have to do is you go back to that email, you go to share, and you're going to click on editor. You're going to click on make owner. Yes. So now your school email is the owner. You are the owner. So what I would do is exit out of here, and I would actually delete it from this email so I don't get confused. And then I'm going to go into my school email. And you're going to receive an email that says you are now the owner of whatever document, as you can see right here. And you just open it up. It's going to open up in your Google Drive. And there it is. You are the owner. You can do whatever you want with it now. And when you move it into Google, your Google Drive, everything will appear as if you were the owner of this document, and you can do whatever you want to it. And that's all you have to do.